Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Netflix account without sharing your password, follow these step-by-step instructions for a secure solution. Step 1. Log in to your Netflix account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Profile and Parental Controls section where you can manage individual profiles. Step 4. Click Add Profile to create a new profile for the person you want to share access with. Step 5. Enter a name for the new profile and select an appropriate maturity level such as kids, teen, or adults. Step 6. Save the new profile and inform the person they can access Netflix using this profile without needing your password. Step 7. If you want to restrict what they can watch, set up a profile lock by requiring a PIN to access your main profile. Step 8. Go to Profile and Parental Controls, select your main profile, and enable Profile Lock by creating a 4-digit PIN. This way, others can use their own profile without accessing your viewing history or recommendations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.